See, user you have to contact with you. So you can make the image from your YouTube video end screen purpose. So here, if you play any videos, finally you can show for your YouTube end screen. For subscribe my channel, something will be here. So no. So every channel we can subscribe something. That is called we can create by your YouTube video end screen. So here, if you will go to YouTube video, that is called like and share, something subscribe, you can make the your video. For here, user for contact purpose, we can make for your YouTube and the image for user contacting purpose. That is called you select for YouTube thumbnail. That is will be 1280 by 720. Just select this image for your YouTube end screen purpose. End screen nothing but final screen. That is for your contact information purpose. Just go to Google here first here. In this one, select your contact us images. Now in this click for images, select your better one. In this which one will be suitable on your contact. Just come to here, come here, just which is suitable you can select here. I'm going to down, just come here. So which is we can suitable we can take it here. I'm coming in this. And go to the multiple options. Just search image. Now select the particular folder. Search image. Just go to your this one. In this one, go to element. Look the careful watch. Here free photo will be there. I'm not going to free photos. Here select for grid. Grid will be 1 or 2 or 3 purpose. Select for your grid. In this, go to upload. Upload your image. In this one, select your proper one. Select here. In this, which image you have to select it. Select here. So careful watch. In this, you can select image will be wrong. Just wait for a second. I'm changing image format. Just go to upload. Just click here. In this, select that image where you can select here. It is called. Here will be there. So image was saved here. Just go to back. Select here. In this one, select that image here. The image will be adding in this option. Just wait for a second to select the image. So image was adding here. Just you have to wait for a second. Now click. Select it. Just right click. See this one. Cannot will be click here will be not possible. Just delete. 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 So you can select another image. Which image will be suitable select for this option. Right now I'm selecting one image here. Just select the image name will be called. We can writing for in this phone option. Before that, just wait. Go to element, grid. Select the one grid. Click here. Select here. In this one, just go to text part. Select your text. Right on here. After that, add your logo part. Upload. In this, select your logo. In this one, contact. Seven. Just copy this URL. Copy here. Yes, info. Digital marketing. Logo design. Browser design. Website. Image. See here. User coming to your website, they select your all in this for your select your services purpose. You can select your these options. In this one, you can add by here, last option. Here will be contact Madhapur comma. District. We can click for only we can show for Hyderabad, search for contact place. Is it clear? This is clear. If you are showing for any YouTube video, last final screen will be like this. What are the services and your contact place, and your website URL. In this download, always you can set for three ways. Printout purpose, PDF. For you can upload purpose, PNG and JPG. JPG is nothing but without transparent. PNG nothing but with the transparent. So your PNG, click for download. This is how you can make it for your YouTube end screen images. That is how you can show your complete services in the one page. This is how promote on your end screen for your YouTube video purpose. You can make it using for canva.com. Is a free of cost.